ஜனனி என்னது சொல்லணும்னு பார்த்தா எங்கேயுமே எனக்கு சான்ஸே கொடுத்துருந்தீங்க. ரொம்ப அழகாக பாடிருக்கீங்க. அந்த பாட்டை விட நீங்கள் அதை அனுபவிச்சு பாடினீங்க. அது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அது ஒரு ரொம்ப லைட்டு அந்த வார்த்தைகளுக்கு என்ன ஒரு வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எப்பவுமே பாடும்போது அதுதான் வேணும், ஜீவனோட பாடணும் அப்படின்றாங்க. அந்த ஜீவனை உங்களில் கண்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் பேசுவாங்க.
Janani, you sang beautifully. Actually, the song it's fairly simple, but the difficult part of it is the emotions. The emotions ரொம்ப beautiful it came out, and kutti places la, I mean the way you improvised was awesome.
Yeah, I'm going to be brutally honest.
Okay.
You started off a little shaky.
I think it's.
I know. Trust me, even I would have done the same. So you were shaky. I thought you were doing it intentionally. You were over-modulating. But then the last Vasigara Pallavi part was perfect. So I knew it was nervousness. The high pitch, I thought you had a rough time initially. But then the second channel, my God, you started enjoying more. You hit your high pitch notes, and like between the first channel and second channel, big difference. So I think you just got more comfortable.
Yeah.
And your true voice really came out. Okay, so great job.
Hi Janani, idinadella he said. Ana ore idu sollanum appadina konjam Karnaticize paadinga. And the cinematic music konjam innum konjam kuda light ah paadnom adu. Okay. Mathapadiya it was perfect. Thank you.